Welcome to 173 Amazing Facts About President Donald Trump, Part 1 of 2. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, and is an American politician, media personality, and businessman who is the 47th President of the United States. 2. Donald Trump launched side ventures, many licensing the Trump name, and filed for 6 business bankruptcies in the 1990s and 2000s. 3. Donald Trump rolled back environmental and business regulations, signed the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, and appointed 3 Supreme Court justices. 4. In foreign policy, Donald Trump withdrew the U.S. from agreements on climate, trade, and Iran's nuclear program, and initiated a trade war with China. 5. Donald Trump was impeached in 2019 for abuse of power and obstruction of Congress, and in 2021 for incitement of insurrection. The Senate acquitted him both times. Point 6. Donald Trump began a trade war with China and imposed tariffs on nearly all countries, including Mexico and Canada. Seven. Donald Trump grew up with his older siblings, Mary Ann, Fred Jr. 8. Donald Trump was a millionaire in inflation-adjusted dollars by age 8. 9. Donald Trump was a difficult child and showed an early interest in his father's business. 10. Donald Trump's father enrolled him in New York Military Academy, a private boarding school, to complete secondary school. 11. Donald Trump considered a show business career, but instead in 1960 enrolled at Fordham University. 12. Donald Trump was exempted from the draft during the Vietnam War due to a claim of bone spurs in his heels. 13. Cohn introduced political consultant Roger Stone to Donald Trump, who enlisted Stone's services to deal with the federal government. 14. Donald Trump attracted public attention in 1978 with the launch of his family's first Manhattan venture, the renovation of the derelict Commodore Hotel, adjacent to Grand Central Terminal. 15. In 1988, Donald Trump acquired the Plaza Hotel with a loan from a consortium of 16 banks. 16. In 1984, Donald Trump opened Harrah's at Donald Trump Plaza, a hotel and casino, with financing and management help from the Holiday Corporation. Donald Trump bought a third Atlantic City venue in 1988, the Donald Trump Taj Mahal. 18. Donald Trump filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in 1991. 19. In 1985, Donald Trump acquired the Mar-a-Lago estate in Palm Beach, Florida. 20. Donald Trump continued to use a wing of the house as a private residence. 21. Donald Trump declared the club his primary residence in 2019. 22. Donald Trump began building and buying golf courses in 1999, owning 17 golf courses by 2016. 23. In 1970, Donald Trump invested $70,000 to receive billing as co-producer of a Broadway comedy. 24. Donald Trump renamed the airline Trump Shuttle and operated it until 1992. 25. Donald Trump defaulted on his loans in 1991 and ownership passed to the banks. In 2005, Donald Trump co-founded Donald Trump University, a company that sold real estate seminars for up to $35,000. 27. Internal documents revealed that employees were instructed to use a hard sell approach, and former employees testified that Donald Trump University had defrauded or lied to its students. 28. The Donald J. Trump Foundation was a private foundation established in 1988. Donald Trump's team announced in December 2016 that the foundation would be dissolved. 30. Donald Trump has said he began his career with a small loan of $1 million from his father and that he had to pay it back with interest. 31. Donald Trump has published 19 books under his name, most written or co-written by ghostwriters. 32. Donald Trump's first book, The Art of the Deal, was a New York Times bestseller and was credited by The New Yorker with making Trump famous as an emblem of the successful tycoon. 33. Donald Trump had cameos in many films and television shows from 1985 to 2001. 34. Donald Trump sporadically appeared for the professional wrestling company WWE from the late 1980s, including WrestleMania 23 in 2007. 35. Donald Trump registered as a Republican in 1987. A member of the Independence Party, the New York State affiliate of the Reform Party, in 1999. A Democrat in 2001, a Republican in 2009, unaffiliated in 2011, and a Republican in 2012. 36. In 1987, Donald Trump placed full-page advertisements in major newspapers expressing his views on foreign policy and how to eliminate the federal budget deficit. 37. Donald Trump was a candidate in the 2000 Reform Party presidential primaries for 3 months before he withdrew in February 2000. 38. In 2011, Donald Trump considered challenging President Barack Obama in the 2012 election. 39. Donald Trump announced his candidacy for the 2016 election in June 2015. 40. Donald Trump became the Republican frontrunner in March 2016 and was declared the presumptive Republican nominee in May. His campaign statements were often opaque and suggestive, and a record number were false. 41. Donald Trump gained support based on his outsider status and lack of political experience, and was highly critical of media coverage, frequently making claims of media bias. 42. Donald Trump twice refused to say whether he would accept the result of the election. 43. Donald Trump described NATO as obsolete and espoused views that were described as non-interventionist and protectionist. 44. Donald Trump advocated increasing military spending and extreme vetting or banning of immigrants from Muslim-majority countries. 45. Donald Trump's proposed immigration policies were a topic of bitter debate during the 2016 campaign. 46. Donald Trump pledged to deport millions of illegal immigrants residing in the U.S. and criticized birthright citizenship for incentivizing anchor babies. 47. Donald Trump did not release his tax returns, contrary to the practice of every major candidate since 1976 and his promises in 2014 and 2015 to do so if he ran for office. 48. Donald Trump said his tax returns were being audited and that his lawyers had advised him against releasing them. 49. Donald Trump was the only president who neither served in the military nor held any government office prior to becoming president. 50. Donald Trump's election marked the return of a Republican undivided government. 51. Donald Trump continued to profit from his businesses and knew how his administration's policies affected them. 52. Donald Trump was sued for violating the domestic and foreign emoluments clauses of the U.S. Constitution, the first time that the clauses had been substantively litigated. 53. Donald Trump took office at the height of the longest economic expansion in American history, which began in 2009 and continued until February 2020, when the COVID-19 recession began. 54. Donald Trump is the only modern U.S. president to leave office with a smaller workforce than when he took office, by 3 million people. 55. Donald Trump withdrew from the Paris Agreement, making the U.S. the only nation to not ratify it. 56. Donald Trump aimed to boost the production and exports of fossil fuels. 57. Donald Trump rolled back more than 100 federal environmental regulations, including those that curbed greenhouse gas emissions, air and water pollution, and the use of toxic substances. 58. Donald Trump weakened protections for animals and environmental standards for federal infrastructure projects and expanded permitted areas for drilling and resource extraction, such as allowing drilling in the Arctic Refuge. 59. Donald Trump dismantled federal regulations on health, labor, the environment, and other areas, including a bill that made it easier for severely mentally ill persons to buy guns. 60. Donald Trump expressed a desire to let Obamacare fail. His administration halved the enrollment period and drastically reduced funding for enrollment promotion. 61. In June 2018, the Donald Trump administration joined 18 Republican-led states in arguing before the Supreme Court that the elimination of the financial penalties associated with the individual mandate had rendered the act unconstitutional. 62. Donald Trump barred organizations that provide abortions or abortion referrals from receiving federal funds. 63. Donald Trump said he supported traditional marriage, but considered the nationwide legality of same-sex marriage settled. 64. Donald Trump's administration rolled back key components of the Obama administration's workplace protections against discrimination of LGBTQ people. 65. Donald Trump has said he is opposed to gun control, although his views have shifted over time. 66. Donald Trump's administration took an anti-marijuana position, revoking Obama-era policies that provided protections for states that legalized marijuana. 67. Donald Trump is a longtime advocate of capital punishment, and his administration oversaw the federal government execute 13 prisoners, more than in the previous 56 years combined, ending a 17-year moratorium. 68. Donald Trump continued to make similar remarks during his 2020 campaign. 69. Donald Trump then posed with a Bible for a photo op at the nearby St. John's Episcopal Church, with religious leaders condemning both the treatment of protesters and the photo opportunity itself. 70. Several Donald Trump allies were not eligible for pardons under Justice Department rules, and in other cases the department had opposed clemency. 71. Donald Trump reduced the number of refugees admitted to record lows from an annual limit of 110,000 before he took office to 15,000 in 2021. 72. Donald Trump increased restrictions on granting permanent residency to immigrants needing public benefits. 73. In January 2017, Donald Trump signed an executive order that temporarily denied entry to citizens of 7 Muslim-majority countries. 74. Donald Trump described himself as a nationalist and his foreign policy as America first. 75. Donald Trump criticized NATO allies and privately suggested that the U.S. should withdraw from NATO. 76. Donald Trump supported many of the policies of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. 77. In 2020, Donald Trump hosted the signing of the Abraham Accords between Israel and the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain to normalize their foreign relations. 78. Donald Trump began a trade war with China in 2018 after imposing tariffs and other trade barriers he said would force China to end long-standing unfair trade practice and intellectual property infringement. '79. Donald Trump weakened the toughest U.S. sanctions imposed after the 2014 Russian annexation of Crimea. 80. Donald Trump praised and, according to some critics, rarely criticized Russian President Vladimir Putin, though he opposed some actions of Russia's government. 'Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.